Nova. You're so patient. Doing such a good job grooming your kittens. Even if the kittens are trying to play. Which, just makes everything more adorable. 5 rambunctious little children in a box. You're trying to get all of their hair groomed. I feel for you, Nova. I really do. There you go, Titan. Massive lump of fur. So many babies. So playful. Nova, you gonna teach your baby not to paw at you during grooming time? Or are you just gonna sit there and take it? I'm feeling you're just gonna sit there and take it. At least for a while longer. Maybe not when the kittens grow up. Eventually you'll tell them to stop, right? I hope so. For your own sake. Oh, are we fighting? Please don't have a cat fight in the box. Somebody might spill out. I'm keeping an eye on you, Diane. I know you might try to go exploring. We're watching. Oh, cute little silver.